On 10 tonight, what's the bill for that grilling the DOT director got up at the State House?
All right, let's add it up. Hourly for the big-name lawyer for the last one and associated costs for the two oversight hearings before that. Here's NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo reporting. It's on your dime. Gabrielle.
Well, 2 years later, there's been 3 oversight hearings at the State House and a lawsuit filed against 13 companies that worked on the westbound Washington Bridge. We wanted to know how much money's been spent so far and if anything's really changed.
In the case of over 350 other bridges in this state.
I'm not asking about other bridges,
well,
Director. I am asking you about this bridge.
We did the right thing.
Former U.S. Attorney Zachary Cunha questioning RIDOT Director Peter Alviti at the latest State House oversight hearing.
Have you done any internal inquiry as to what went wrong here? Where is the reckoning at RIDOT?
It was by far the most contentious of the 3 on the Washington Bridge closure. The high-profile attorney came at a cost, $600 an hour, with associates at his firm earning $500 an hour for their help preparing him. An invoice for the work obtained by NBC 10 shows the state was billed for 162.75 hours of work, about 148 hours of prep. The total fees reaching $240,000, but the firm gave the state a $5,000 discount. So the legislature will have to pay just over $83,000.
Do you think that cost of bringing Attorney Cunha in was worth it?
Absolutely, yes. I've got nothing but positive feedback from a lot of people. I think it was worth it.
House Speaker Joe Shekarchi.
People of Rhode Island are very frustrated, and even in the General Assembly, a lot of my members and myself were all frustrated with the process post-bridge.
The attorney's fees are only a fraction of what's been spent on the bridge closure so far. $44.7 million in emergency expenses, $78.1 million out of an estimated $98 million has been paid for the demolition project, and $19 million for the rebuild project that could cost up to $427 million.
What are the options for next steps when it comes to accountability within the General Assembly?
There's not much we can do as far as the General Assembly. It's the Department of Transportation is an executive function.
Were you satisfied with the job Director Alviti did during that hearing?
I was satisfied with the conduct of both oversight chairman and the joint committee. I thought they did an excellent job.
But what about Director Alviti specifically?
Look, I understand the constraints he's in. Director Alviti does not work for me. I understand he answered some questions by saying he couldn't answer. It is what it is, and the public will make that decision.
Governor Dan McKee has stood by Director Alviti in the wake of that hearing, saying accountability will come from the state's lawsuit. But as the speaker alluded to in his answer there, Alviti's job could be in jeopardy depending on the results of next year's race for governor. In studio, I'm Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.
Gabrielle, thanks.